Ready? Start. Before we consider whether the High Court was justified in reversing the order of conviction of the additional sessions judge, eighth and passing an order of acquittal in appeal, we may briefly highlight the issues raised before us. Stop stanza. The learned counsel for the appellant argued that the High Court had erred in taking the adverse view on account of non-examination of the IO when the ASI Gaya Prasad had adduced the entire sequence of events in a natural and convincing manner. Stop. He also sought to argue that the reasons of acquittal recorded by the High Court were erroneous and against the weight of the evidence proved on record. Stop stanza. On the other hand, the learned counsel for the accused respondents sought to argue that the High Court, while acquitting the accused and reversing the judgment of the additional sessions judge, eighth, who convicted them, had taken into consideration all the aspects of the matter and the evidence on record and came to a conclusion that the judgment of the additional sessions judge could not be accepted, after giving proper and cogent reasons for the same. Stop. Accordingly, the learned counsel for the accused respondents sought for dismissal of the appeal by this court. Stop stanza. Having heard the learned counsel for the parties and after examining the submissions made by them and also the judgment of the High Court as well as of the additional sessions judge, eighth, and the other materials on record, including the findings and the reasoning given by the additional sessions judge as well as the High Court, we do not find any ground to hold that the High Court was not justified in setting aside the order of conviction and passing an order of acquittal in appeal. Stop. While doing so, the High Court had given due reasons after considering the entire materials and the evidence on record and had also given the reasons after considering the entire materials and the evidence on record and had also given the reasons as to why the non-examination of the SO and the IO was fatal in the facts and circumstances of the case. Stop. In our view, the High Court was justified in holding that it was necessary for the prosecution to prove the case made out under section 399 and 402 of the IPC beyond reasonable doubt and to examine the SO and the IO for unfolding the prosecution story. Stop stanza. Relying on the aforesaid observations of this court in the above mentioned case, we, therefore, agree with the findings and the reasoning of the High Court, while setting aside the order of conviction, on the question of non-examination of the SO, who was the architect of the facts of the case. Stop. This court further held that in case the court finds that the prosecution has not examined the witnesses, the court would be justified in drawing an adverse interfere against the prosecution. Stop. Over.